Foil repoussé. First, you're going to need to gather your materials: newspaper, tape, a burnishing tool, what could also be a dull pencil, regular pencil, a piece of paper, and a piece of foil to match, as well as a piece of cardboard. Step 1. Using your pencil, draw your design on the piece of paper. As with all art projects, please remember safety first, especially when handling the metal tooling foil. Step 2. With a piece of tape, attach a piece of tooling foil to the back. Step 3. Place a thick piece of newspaper underneath for cushion. Step 4. Trace over your design with a dull pencil or wooden stylus. This will be done directly over both the piece of paper and the piece of metal foil. Remove your paper and retrace the lines directly on the foil to emboss them further with the wooden stylus or dull pencil. Step 6. On the back, in the negative spaces where you want your design to stick out in higher relief, use a thick, rounded stylus, like from the end of a permanent marker, to chase and raise chosen areas. Step 7. Flip your foil relief back over and retrace any lines to finish off details.